Hello, aspirant. I hope you guys are doing well. So, I welcome you all to this particular video lecture series of Lakshmikant's Polity Summary. So, till now we have completed up to the provisions, the methods by which a person can get Indian citizenship. Okay, and now we will be talking about what are the situation when a person loses its Indian citizenship. So, first case when a person loses its Indian citizenship is by renunciation. Okay, any citizen of India of full age and capacity can make a declaration renouncing his Indian citizenship. So, what we want to convey in this particular line is that any citizen he has full age and capacity that he can or she can make a declaration renouncing his Indian citizenship. Okay. So if such a declaration is made during a war in which India is also engaged, its registration shall be withheld by the central government. Okay. So if India is busy in some war, so the registration of renunciation can be withheld by the central government, or the process of renunciation can be withheld by the central government. And when a person renounces his Indian citizenship, every minor child of that person also loses Indian citizenship. Okay, so if a person is renouncing his or her Indian citizenship, then the children that belongs to him or her, or his or her children, or those who are minor, they also lose Indian citizenship. Okay, so however, when such a child attains the age of 18, he may resume Indian citizenship. He may resume Indian citizenship. Okay, so if a person is declaring or renouncing Indian citizenship, then minor child of that person also loses Indian citizenship. Okay, and after some particular year, after some particular period, if that child attains the age of 18, he may also resume Indian citizenship. Okay, so this can be done. So another method of losing Indian citizenship is by the method of termination. When an Indian citizen voluntarily, consciously, knowingly, and without duress, undue influence, or compulsion acquires the citizenship of another country, his Indian citizenship automatically terminates. So, if a person acquires the citizenship of another country, so his Indian citizenship get terminated. Okay, so it does not apply during war in which India is engaged. Previously I also told that the process of renunciation may be withheld during the war. Okay, so that condition is also valid in the case of termination as well. Okay, when termination means when a person is acquiring the citizenship of another country, then his Indian citizenship automatically get cancelled. Okay, and it does not apply during a war in which India is engaged. So another method of uh, living Indian citizenship is by the method of deprivation. So it is compulsory termination of Indian citizenship by the central government. Okay, when the citizen has obtained the citizenship by fraud. Okay, if any citizen who has obtained Indian citizenship by fraud, then central government may terminate, may deprive his or her citizenship. Okay, the citizen has shown disloyalty to the Constitution of India. If a citizen is showing disloyalty to the Constitution of India, then a compulsory termination of Indian citizenship can be done. Okay, if the citizen has unlawfully traded or communicated with the enemy during a war. So, if a citizen has unlawfully traded or communicated with the enemy country during the war, then also central government terminates the Indian citizenship. Okay, the citizen within 5 years after registration and naturalization being imprisoned in any other country for 2 years, then he or she also get deprived by Indian citizenship. Okay, and if the citizen has been ordinary resident out of India for 7 years continuously, if the citizen is residing outside of India for more than 7 years, so central government may cancel his or her citizenship. Okay, so this is also another point, an important one, that uh, the citizen has within 5 years after registration and naturalization, if he or she been imprisoned in any country for 2 years, so central government may take away the Indian citizenship from that person. So for this particular video, so it is completed. So we have completed the condition when a person loses Indian citizenship. So it is done. I hope you guys are doing well. So bye.